we built these portals on the Experience Cloud. One is the portal for the corporates. So, a company wants to engage with us to do the visas for, all their employees, whether it's in the US or globally. They will log into a portal where they will be able to see all the foreign nationals in the US and then abroad who have visas or work permits. They'll be able to see, pertinent data to those individuals, and you can kind of see that both on the left and the right in terms of the dashboards that we came up with. And then there's also a Tableau component of this as well, to where the corporate users can log in and they can see, overall, heat maps of where the visa holders, the work permit holders are in the US and the world. They can see assessments, they can see initiations, they can see spend. There's all these different data components that they're able to view, and then they're able to see individuals. And I'm not kind of doing this justice in terms of all the data points that they can see, but job descriptions, expiration dates, anything that they need to essentially manage their program. And then the foreign nationals, the individuals who require the visas and work permits, are able to log into their system as well. They're able to upload their documents, complete questionnaires, view kind of the chevron that you can see in terms of where their case is at, who's assigned to it, where the paralegal and the attorney team are drafting. Are they gathering the documents? Is it in the review stage? Is it in the signature document stage? Has it been filed? So the individual is able to follow along. One of the things that Mike mentioned is that we've actually been able to, through the platform, cadence and automate a lot of the workflows. And one of the biggest things that we've been able to do, and pretty quickly, I would say, is just the overall automation to let folks know where they're at in their process. So when a case is initiated, they'll receive an automated email when certain key milestones are reached. The foreign nationals are able to see, EIG just completed this step. The next step is coming up. It's going to take, X amount of time. And really, kind of the model that we tried to use is very simply, I think most folks are getting accustomed to when they do online shopping, when an item is ordered, when it's picked, when it's being shipped. That's really kind of the overall expectation I think that folks have, and it's very similar to the overall visa and green card process that we see internally. So that's really kind of what we really wanted to model our Salesforce system.